Today, I'll show you how to build diagrams in http://draw.io. First, open your browser and go to http://draw.io. You may also see it called http://diagrams.net. When the website opens, choose where you want to save your diagram. You can save it on your device, Google Drive, OneDrive, or another available option. For a simple start, choose Device. Next, click Create New Diagram. You can choose a blank diagram or start with a template. If you already know what you want to create, a blank diagram is a good choice. If you want something faster, choose a template that matches your idea. Now give your diagram a name, such as Project Diagram, Website Plan, or Business Process. Then click Create. Once the editor opens, you will see the main canvas in the center. This is where you build your diagram. On the left side, you will see shapes. These can include rectangles, circles, arrows, flowchart symbols, people icons, database icons, and many more. To add a shape, simply drag it from the left menu onto the canvas. Double-click the shape to add text. For example, you can type a step, a name, a process, or a label. To connect shapes, click on one shape, then drag one of the small arrows toward another shape. http://draw.io will create a connector line between them. You can use connectors to show direction, relationships, steps, or movement. If you want to change the style of a shape, click on it first, then use the options on the right side to change the color, border, font, size, or line style. You can also resize shapes by dragging the corners. To move a shape, click and drag it to a new position. If you need more shape libraries, click More Shapes on the left side. Choose the type of diagram you need, such as flowcharts, network diagrams, software diagrams, or business diagrams. Then click Apply. As you build, try to keep your diagram clean and easy to read. Put related items close together, use clear labels, and do not add too many colors. When your diagram is finished, click File, then Save. To share it as an image or document, click File, then Export As, and choose PNG, PDF, JPEG, or SVG. So, to keep it simple, open http://draw.ioa, create a new diagram, drag shapes onto the canvas, add text, connect the shapes, style your diagram, and save or export it. And that's how you build diagrams in http://draw.io. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.